Comfort Controls recently helped our friends over at CALCASIEU Mechanical Contractors install a KMC Commander at the Jefferson Parish Sheriff's Office jail facility in Jennings, Louisiana. KMC Commander is an IoT platform designed to help businesses affordably solve immediate problems while providing a long-term solution for their IoT strategy. KMC Commander helps to optimize energy usage, increase operational efficiency, maximize occupant comfort, and ensure a safe environment. By utilizing common protocols for sensors, devices, controllers, and building systems, KMC Commander collects data using an on-premise gateway and sends that data to the cloud. It then tracks, trends, and triggers that data based on user preferences, all while making the data available on any device with an internet connection. It does all of this securely while providing an optimized, open platform on which to build. Using a modern user interface built in HTML5, KMC Commander makes it easy to monitor an IoT network in real time from a desktop, tablet, or smartphone. System technicians or tenants can have visibility and control of an individualized dashboard, ensuring that they only see the data that matters to them. By displaying key metrics on individual cards and dashboard elements, KMC Commander scales to fit any device, always showing relevant data responsively. For more information on how Comfort Controls can help you with your next building automation systems, contact us today for a free building survey. Let Comfort Controls turn your building into a smart building.